Hi everybody, my name's Mimi.
My name is Beatrice.
And today we're here with Superdrug to create a Mother's Day look. First things first, we're going to start off with eyebrows. So I'm going to use this B Makeup contour kit. When you were young, what was the first piece of makeup that you did?
White powder, your face will be white, pretty.
I feel like when you have your eyebrows done well, it just shapes your whole face.
But if you don't do foundation first before eyebrow, how will you put makeup on this bit of the face?
You just avoid it. The next thing we're going to go in with is concealer. I'm going to take the Flower Concealer. So what do you think we've got planned for you for Mother's Day?
I don't know. Maybe surprise. But my friends are coming over. We're going to dance. You know me, I love dancing.
Yes, we know. Pro Base MUA foundation. This is long wear, but it's a matte finish. This is so cool. It's like a spatula.
Mothership is very interesting. You have a child that makes you feel good, that makes you feel happy.
I'm going to use medium deep underneath the eyes just to like brighten it up.
You know, we used to do blush. You know them one?
Yeah, we still do blush. We still do blush.
Big one.
Yeah, you used to put bright red, like proper red blush, and I was like, oh my god, like okay. So I'm gonna go in with this Revolution Pro eyeshadow palette.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in with the like purples and the pinks.
Yeah. Oh, those are my favorite color.
Cool. And then I'm gonna go in with this Collection Glam Crystal. It's like a liquid eyeshadow.
Oh, you put it on the eye too? Okay.
But it's like shaped like a lipstick. I'm going to go for a contour now. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution foundation, but a darker shade. And this helps your face look snatched. Contour really looks good on your face.
You know I like pink lipstick.
No, you like bright pink.
This one is the bright pink. I like this one. But you know I used to do pencil, or you are not doing that one?
That's what you do. You used to put like a black liner.
Wow.
So the matte one's like a lipstick.
It looks pretty.
It's like a metallic gloss. You've never wore lashes before?
No, I'm just always scared of it.
Is it okay?
I think so. Hope it's not going to glue the eye.
I'm going to take this flower highlighter.
I look good. I like it because I'm popping up.
Cool. So now we're going to use the Super Hold setting spray. So setting spray just helps hold everything and keep it together.
I like this one.
Glow Mist. I love this one as well. Finished.
Hey, is this me?
Do you like it?
Oh, I look good. This is nice. Hey, I like it though. Look at how I look like babe. Really babe. Oh, this is nice. I look good, man. I look like young babe. I'm not a young girl. Now you finish my makeup. It is time for me to do your own. I'm gonna do yours my own way.
Okay, cool. But I don't trust you with my brows, so I'm gonna leave my brows on. But everything else on your canvas. Go for it.
Let me start now.
What are you gonna do first?
I will do the foundation.
Be careful.
Okay, no, sorry.
Oh my god. No, I have to look at the mirror.
No, you can't. Normally, I use 2 foundation. I want to use another foundation.
Another one.
Trust me. You used to use this type.
Do you know what that is?
I don't know.
Concealer.
Concealer. Okay, wait.
Does it look like how when I do it?
No, this is my own way.
Okay.
I need to blend it. I will use this kind of big brush. Yeah. Very good.
Thank you.
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow, yeah. Underneath my eyebrows.
Yeah, so that it looks different. It's even. Then I still need to use one more. Yeah. Wow. Flower palettes. Because I like pink for you too. I will mix all of them together. I'm doing the contour now. Okay. I'll put some for your forehead.
Okay. Where did you see that?
It's my own style. That's how I do my own. Which color you like?
I like nudes.
No, let me use this one. Quick one. This one.
This smells nice. Mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You look popping, man.
Yeah.
This one. I need this one. Ooh, yeah. You look popping. Wow.
Mommy.
You look good. Trust me. No, it's true. I'm using Revolution setting spray. Plenty so that I go set it in the evening. Then I need to use this one too. I'm happy. Look at it now. Look at how you look. What do you think? What do you think? It's nice.
Okay, let me try be positive. I like the dewiness, you know, you really packed the foundation on. This colour's nice though.
Yeah, and you must like something. I told you. Say thank you.
Thank you, babe.
I like your own.